Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Song Baigao. Come from the University of Wollongong, and my major is telecommunication engineering. Today, my second research topic is communication strategies for standalone and grid connected microgrid integrated with the renewable and distributed energy resources. And this is my research topic. Okay, let's go to the previews. My previews have 4 parts. The one is the research background and the significance. The next is the specific research connect. And then is the research design and the advantages and the disadvantages. And the finally is the conclusion. The first, before I start my topic, there are some information about the research topic that needs to be explained. There are main in the 2 parts. The one is the grid connected microgrid, and the other is what is the renewable distributed energy. Okay, let's go to the first one. What is the grid connect microgrid? The grid connect microgrid is a smaller scale distributed system, but in this system is made up of many factories, and these factories like a bridge connected the power station and the user. And the other is they can self control and self management. This means these systems can work by themselves and don't need people to control at any time. So it is very convenient for people who provide some energy to the user at 24 hours every day. And the next information, what is the renewable and distributed energy? First, the renewable and distributed energy is the sustainable natural energy. It means this energy we can get from the nature and every day, and in another day we can also get also many energies from the nature. And don't worry about there are nothing to get it. And the next is the decreated to the user, produce and supply these energies locally. It means these energies come from the nature, otherwise the people produce. For example, there are solar energies or wind energies or water energies. Then the importance and the significance of the research topic. Firstly, why we need to do this research is because the heavily reliance non-renewable energies may lead to future energy crises. It means the energy is limited in the earth. So in order to make sure the sustainable development of the country, people need to try to find some new energies to instead the old energies. So it is very necessary. And the next, the fossil fuels can also cause the significant demand to the environment. It means if people also keep using the fossil fuels, they will make some harmful airs and harmful substance, and this substance will make our environment become not wonderful and not good for people to live. Then let's go to the specific research context. In this research, we plan to establish solar energy international systems. It means use the telecommunication and technology to make the different users become a whole part, and in this part they can share the social energies and other energies from their neighborhood. And because of the time limited, we try to use the experimental and simulation and data analysis for the research models. Finally, this purpose of the research is in order to improve the solar energy use efficiency and share the energies from others. Okay, let's we see the line chart. In this line chart, it can easy to see that the efficiency about the solar energies used are different in the different time. During the time exchange, the efficiencies will also change. In this line chart, we can see that in the early and at night, the efficiency is very low, but in the afternoon and long, the efficiency is very high. So it means these systems can help people to save the solar energies in the early and light, but in the afternoons they can get a lot of solar energies, so that if some people or some users need some help at that time, these energies which can be used is very important. And this is the specific structures of the solar international systems. In these systems, the yellow line means the internet. The internet links the different user and this part means they can share their social energies to their electrodes from the different way. For example, if these users don't leave home and don't need to use the solar energy, then his social energies can be shared for their electrode, if the electrode actually need to. So it is very helpful for people which have many children's family. Also, these systems can deal with the research problems, but they also have some limitations that we cannot avoid. The one is the high input cost, because as smart systems, they require a lot of device support and equipment support. So it means the government need to pay for a lot of money to provide the systems built. And the other is the relationship restrictions. It means these systems are suitable for the department or the city, big city or middle city, because in some mountain areas or desert areas, people live very far away their electrical, so the distance limitation makes these systems cannot share the energy from others. So the final part is the conclusion. Firstly, the system's intentions achieved the research purpose, but the function needs to be increased. It means they should increase some different functions. For example, they can add some function about using wind energies or using the water energies. And another is the development progress of the renewable energies network are good, and the government need to support it, because these systems build need the telecommunications technologies development. So the government should give some help for the scientists and the research. So okay, thank you for the listening.